Dude, it's crazy. I see a lot of people who have a really clean folder structure, who organize great outside the software, but once they're inside the software, there's files, assets, and all this crap everywhere. And I'm like, dude, why even have a folder structure outside the software if you aren't even gonna use it inside? Like, it doesn't make sense to me. One of the things you can do inside of your software is just copy the folder structure to inside your software and create a bin structure, because you're already familiar with the folder structure. That's the best thing you can do. What is bin structure? Bin structure is how you organize all of your stuff inside of your software. Let's actually do that. So let's close this project. This was a test project. And let's open up our blueprint project, our template project. Before starting your project, you want to make sure you have all of the assets you think you're gonna need first. Collect all of those first, drag them into your assets folder, and then do exactly what I'm gonna show you now. Take your footage, your audio, your music, assets. We're gonna pause right there. All right, future Joey here. These right here, these folders, these are how you organize your video project assets outside of your video editing software. And this is the foundation of the bin structure inside your software. And so if you want to learn how to do this, I'm going to leave a link in the description to a video that breaks down what this is and how you can create it for yourself. That way you don't feel lost when watching this video right here. Future Joey is out. Take your footage, your audio, your music, assets, drag and drop them into your folder structure. And look what happens. Footage, audio, music, assets, all of it's imported. It's that simple. You just drag and drop it in. Instead of having to create a new bin, calling it footage, having to create a new bin. Like, see all this time I'm wasting? Dude, my arm is sore. I don't want to keep doing this. Just drag and drop it in. The drag and drop method will not work if there is only one asset in there. If I drag these to the trash and then I re-drag and drop this footage folder in here, see how it doesn't create a folder? You need more than one asset or file inside each folder. If that does happen, then you just drag it to the bin and then you do rename it anyway. The way we get our stuff together is create the folder structure, put everything inside the folder structure, then import the folder structure and create a bin structure. That's how we want to go about doing our projects. This is so you guys understand it in the head. Because when you understand it in the head and it makes more sense and it's more clear and there's clarity, all of a sudden taking action becomes not as difficult. And you don't sit there, bookmark my TikToks and never use it. I know some of you do that. I know because I do that. This needs to happen to get the project done. This is a step in the process. The whole process is your workflow. If you like that video, you'll love this video where I break down and talk about how I organize the actual editing, not the files, not the folders, but the actual videos and timelines using a sequence system designed to track the progress of my edit. That way there's no questions about what I need to do next or where I need to go. So if you want to watch that video, you can click right here, wherever on the screen. It's somewhere.